Hey guys, welcome back to SpiceFry. Today's recipe is a special treat for all the Haleem and Khichda lovers out there, like me, who love the dish but not so much the tedious process that comes with, and also for all of you who love experimenting with new flavors. So without further ado, here's presenting SpiceFry's Oats Haleem recipe. Begin by marinating tiny cubes of boneless chicken with salt, ginger garlic paste, and green chilli paste. Microwave the chicken for 4 minutes at medium heat and keep aside. Heat 3 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of grounded red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now saute the masala as well. Bring in the microwave chicken that we had kept aside and shred it into smaller pieces before adding it to the pan. Mix the chicken well so that it is coated with the masalas before adding in the salt. Once done, keep it aside. In another pan or kadhai, add in 3 teaspoons of pure ghee, temper about a teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds in the ghee, once the jeera is tempered, add in 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion and saute. Half teaspoon salt, when the onions turn translucent, add in 1 finely chopped medium-sized tomato and mix well. As the tomatoes begin to soften, add in ginger garlic paste followed by green chilli paste and mix well. Now comes the time for our dry masalas. About a teaspoon of red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Once both the onions and tomatoes have softened, add in 1 cup of rolled white oats and mix well. Begin by adding 1.5 cup of water to the oats, and if needed, add more later on. Now add in 1.5 cup of milk and mix well. Cover the oats with the lid and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. It's now time to add in the shredded masala chicken that we had kept aside, as well as pour in more milk or water as per your requirements to get in the desired creamy consistency. Transfer the haleem into a deep dish or a bowl and garnish it with crispy fried onions, mint leaves and garam masala. And finally, pour in a little bit of sizzling hot ghee before serving. If you love Haleem, do give this recipe a shot and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. And for those of you who are looking for newer ways to eat oats, this is a great way right here. We hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.